Welcome to this tutorial on Raspberry AI's background generator, your tool for turning simple studio shots into photorealistic destination images in just seconds. To get started, upload an image you'd like to enhance with a new background. For the best results, use an image with a neutral, clear background. This could be a solid color, a wall, or a studio backdrop. Next, describe the background you want. You can keep it simple or get as detailed as you'd like. The AI will use your description to generate a scene that fits your vision. You can add a reference image for the background, but this is purely optional. Now we can choose from the 5 composition options that dictate how the background image is padded around the original subject. All around surrounds the subject on all sides. Right and left extend the scene in those directions. Top adds padding to the top of the image. And above and below add space at the top and the bottom. For this example, we'll choose all around and click Generate. We'll receive 4 results with a background generated all around the model. If you have a specific look in mind, you can upload a reference image for inspiration. This helps guide the AI's style and color palette, but won't copy the image exactly. For this scene, we have a reference image of a street full of cherry blossoms, and set the padding to extend the background to the right of the model. The outputs all add a photorealistic backdrop of cherry blossoms and architecture to the scene. With Raspberry AI's background generator, you can transform any studio photo into a breathtaking location shot in just a few clicks. Ready to try it out? Upload your image and start creating now.